Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I wanted to share with you my latest crochet project that I've been working on this week. This is a crochet doily and the pattern is by Grace Fearon. It is a free pattern that you can download from Ravelry, and she also has a YouTube tutorial for this pattern. And I made this using number 10 crochet thread, and also it's a 2.25 millimeter crochet hook. And I'm going to give you a close-up of this doily. Now this doily has some little popcorns in it, as you can see. It has single crochet, double crochet. It also has some back post and front post stitches in it. But it looks really detailed, and it is detailed, but it's easy to do if you'll just take it step by step. And if you're confused about any of the terms in the pattern, you can go to her YouTube video and watch the video. She crochets she shows you every stitch that you need to make, and you can work along with her. She shows you how to do it for each row. And it has 24 rows in it, but I only did 23. I did not want to do the picot row, and I have not blocked this yet. I have not woven in my ends yet, but it's not difficult to do. It measures about 9 inches from one tip to the next. Mine does, about 9 inches. It just depends on how tightly you would crochet and what size crochet hook. Now the pattern called for a smaller crochet hook, but she said that she used a 2.25, and that's what I used, the 2.25. And I didn't know that I would be able to use that with the number 10 thread, but I thought it worked out really nicely. And again, there's those little popcorn stitches. And it does look difficult, if you're just beginning. But if you'll just take your time and learn how to make the stitches, you can just take your time and work along with her. Read through the pattern. And the name of this is Mable. I think I forgot to tell you the name. But I just wanted to share this doily with you today. And thanks for watching my videos. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to be notified about future videos that I'll be uploading, just subscribe to my channel. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye.